try to get them out of there and just hope they can remain healthy.
A San Diego man still waiting to welcome his wife and children back home as they begin their journey out of Wuhan, China, the epicenter of the coronavirus outbreak.
And this morning, some good news. They are one step closer to arriving in the U.S. 10 News anchor Mary McKenzie at MCAS Miramar. Mary says they will be leaving soon, but it's not clear at which base their flight's going to land.
Not at all clear this morning, Jim, and we don't have any official word from MCAS Miramar here, one of 4 of the bases that will be receiving those flights, that they have any flight scheduled at any point, particularly today, if that flight does in fact take off from Wuhan, China this morning. But it is a bit of good news, at least for this local family.
Yeah, I'm very nervous about all of this coming up.
Yanjun Wei is who you're hearing from there. She's stuck in China with the couple's 2 young children, hoping to get on one of these flights. Ken Burnett, her husband, has been in touch with 10 News since his family's quarantine saga began. And now he got word late last night that his wife and kids would be on a flight leaving Wuhan, China this morning. But we don't know where that flight might be headed exactly. It could be to MCAS Miramar. That seems unlikely, though. There are 3 other designated U.S. military bases as well, where those passengers will be quarantined for that 14-day period. The U.S. has said they're planning more flights to evacuate American citizens out of Wuhan, China. Each of these flights does have a medical team on board. They're screening passengers to be sure that none of them show signs of the virus. And then once they arrive on one of those bases, they'll be cared for by Health and Human Services staff, not by members of the military. But again, no confirmation that there is a flight heading here to Miramar today. We are waiting to find out if Burnett's family will in fact be on what could possibly be a more than 14-hour flight heading out of Wuhan. FlightAware.com does have one flight registered this morning that will be landing in San Francisco, but again, we don't know if that is the flight this family may be waiting to be reunited from. We're live at MCAS Miramar this morning. Mary McKenzie, 10 News.